Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY paper puppet. But before we start, make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and let's get on to the video. Let's go. First step, we're going to take a tiny paper of this measurements. And you're going to take the top corner and fold it down. And you're going to cut the extra. Next, you're going to open it to get a tiny square. Next, you're going to fold it like this. And turn it to the side and fold it again. And when you open it, you'll get these tiny squares. And you're going to take this corner, fold it into the middle, right? And same with the others. Next, you're going to open it and you'll get these lines over here. And you're going to take one of the triangles, fold it like this, and fold it like that. And you're going to do the same thing to all of them. Next, you're going to flip it to the back side, and we're going to take one of the corners and fold it into the middle line. And do the same with all. Next step, you're going to take a tiny piece of tape. After that, you're just going to stick it over here. Next step, you're going to flip it and you have this flat surface over here, and this is optional. You can draw a face like this or you can just leave it blank. And over here you can draw whatever you like. Now here comes the last step. You're going to open these flaps and you're going to take this side, fold it like that, and take this one and fold it like that. And you're just going to try to make a heart shape. Like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And your puppet's ready. Bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.